Hello everyone, let's make a very quick breakfast potato recipe. So without further ado, let's get started. I'm going to move over my stove top where I've placed 2 pans. For 1 pan, I'm going to be making my potatoes. Yeah, you'll see, you just see. So yeah, I've added cooking oil. I'm going to add in my potatoes. Move over to my next pan where I've placed a small pan. This is a very quick breakfast recipe, so to this pan I'm going to be placing in my sausages. Check on my sausages and flip so that they can cook on all sides. I'm using shallow frying. You can also deep fry. So while everything is cooking, I'm going to be cracking in 4 eggs. My second egg. Add in some black pepper and salt to my eggs. Mix in the seasoning into the eggs, and then I'm going to move over to my sausages. Flip, and this is how they're looking. So I'm going to fry for another 1 minute, and I'm using low flame. Move over to my potatoes. Flip over. When making a lot of potatoes, you can parboil or pre-boil the potatoes so that you can just transfer to your pan. For me, I've just fried the potatoes straight away in my pan because this is a recipe for about 2 people. This is how the potatoes are looking. You can hear the crunch. We have a very nice golden brown color on top. I'm going to move the potatoes on one side, and then I'm going to add in some onions, pepper, add in some black pepper, salt for seasoning, and half a teaspoon of paprika. Cook the onions and capsicum until soft. Just look at that color. This is going to be so delicious. So make sure to add enough salt to season the potatoes because you want some delicious breakfast potatoes. Once my onions are softening up, I'm going to be adding in my sausage, which I've cut up into little pieces. Just look at that, and then I'm going to mix everything together. Yum. Reduce the flames to low, and then I'm going to move over to my small pan. Add in my eggs as my potatoes cook. I am making some scrambled eggs for my side. Add in some butter. And also I'm going to add in a little bit of butter to my eggs because I want the eggs to have a buttery taste. So you'll cook the eggs to your preference. I like mine well cooked. Check on my potatoes. And the butter has added a lot of flavor to my potatoes. This is going to be so delicious. It's been around 10 minutes and my breakfast potatoes are ready. They're crispy. You can hear the crunch. My sausage has added a lot of flavor also. And also my egg is ready. So I'm going to turn off the heat and serve. Yeah. I'm excited for this breakfast because it's going to be so lit. Add my potatoes to my plate. And then I'm going to add in my eggs. So guys, it has been an amazing 10 minutes of making this perfect breakfast, which is filling, it's delicious, and I'm really going to enjoy each and every bite. So I hope you try and make this delicious breakfast for your family or yourself, and you're surely going to enjoy. So catch you on my next episode.